die on me. You got it? You good? You promise? Don't do it, Joseph. Joseph, don't you do it. Don't. Oh my God. Joseph, stop. Yeah, that was stupid. Don't die. Oh, yep, you died. Oh, you're pissed off. You're all sorts of pissed off. Oh. You just gotta feel calm, Joseph. Just feel the calm within your soul. And pull the trigger. Oh, or die. Don't get spotted, kill boy. Can he do it? Can he master his anger? Nope. No, he cannot.
Oh my gosh. Are you...